In this video, we'll show you the easy way and the extremely easy way to total a column in Excel. Okay, we'll begin with the extremely easy way and then we'll build up to the easy way. And I'm quite excited because you're about to take your first step into using Excel the proper way, like using all of its power. Anyway, we've got a simple column of numbers here. The extremely easy way to total this column of numbers is you highlight them by clicking and dragging a box around it, and then there's a button with this funny Greek symbol in it which is called auto sum. You click that and bam, the sum total is there. If you change any of these numbers, the total at the bottom changes. And what I like to do is to format this so you can tell it's a total. So I might click bold, I might click on top and bottom border and perhaps the word total, just so it's really obvious that that's a total. I should quickly point out that the auto sum button is only available on the home tab, so make sure you've clicked home so that the home ribbon's there. And if your screen is not full screen like this, it's perhaps smaller, it might not have the word auto sum next to it, it might just have this Greek symbol, so be aware of that. Now here is where things start to get very exciting. I'll just delete that row so we can start again. So we're now going to enter a formula in to sum the total of this column. To do this, we select, well, we can click anywhere, but it's most common to put the total at the bottom of the column. So I've clicked in that cell. Start off every formula with an equal symbol, and then we use the formula sum, S-U-M, which is one of hundreds of formulas available to Excel. You have an open bracket, and then we need to tell it to total from cell A1 to A6. So we can either type in A1 colon A6 and close bracket, or alternatively we can just draw a box around it and Excel will fill in those cell references for us. Then just close the bracket, press enter, and we've got the same result there. So good luck, go and try this yourself and you'll be opening a door to the wonderful world of Excel. If you want more help, the next thing to do is visit our website at Spreadsheets.Pro. We offer professional spreadsheet services to help you repair, upgrade or create new spreadsheets in Excel and Google Sheets. We also have a tutorial blog aimed at beginners and small business owners, and we have a selection of ready-made, free and premium spreadsheets available to download.